If you think YouTube's going to solve your workplace conflict problems, stop right now. Having invested over 42 years of my life and 10 million rand in time and money, I know exactly what it takes to build a high-performance people, teams, leadership and culture. And if you're ready to truly learn, then come with me. Click this link and register your details to download the Revolutionary Workplace High Performance PDF right now. Download our free Revolutionary Workplace High Performance Framework, System and Philosophy and get started today. Register your details right now to discover how you can build a revolutionary workplace with high performance people, teams, leadership and culture. Better culture, limitless leadership, increased engagement, appreciative action, right mindsets with resilience, growth mindsets and better relationships, and execution excellence. Our proven and validated framework will take you from slow to go. We've helped companies to 2x or even 4x their business performance. It's time you had the advantage of a high-performance revolutionary workplace too. Click below, join us, it's free to get started.